how do we check the instruments? And it's very frustrating as an instructor if students don't check the instruments. So this is the way I've been taught. I'm just going to teach you how I've been told to do it. So here we go. We've got a 6-pack here, standard 6-pack. So we always start from the top left-hand side. So airspeed indicator showing 0. AI is erect and within 5 degrees. And I'm going to put this dot where I can see it. There we go. Altimeter, we need to set. The current altimeter is 3005. Just looking at that, 3005. No, it's set. Down here, VSI is showing 0. If it wasn't, we'd mark it and we'd note that as a new 0. DI, or directional indicator, we align with the compass. I currently got
traffic, 204, turning right downwind for runway 28, doing a short approach.
There you go. We can hear the traffic in the background doing it at runway 28, so I'm assuming we're going to be taking off runway 28, so I'll set the bug for that. And turn coordinates are wings level, ball in the centre, full of fluid and no flag. If there was a flag there, obviously there's no power going to the turn coordinator, so we look at that. We then come up to the compass, full of fluid, no bubbles, no leaks, and no slight discoloration. Back up here, comms panel, we look at the comms panel, make sure we're on comms 1. It's on auto, all the buttons pushed out, so therefore when we transmit, we're going to be transmitting on comms 1, which is this panel here. We're in database, 11th July expires, so it's within its, the database is in date. So what we're going to look now is we're going to look at both the Garmin 430 and the OBS here, and you'll see that it's in the center here. However, when we press the enter button, you can see the needles move left and up. So it says half left, half up, half up. That's correct. And also GPS. Now, also what we're going to do is we're going to align the OBS with 240, 239, it's 1 off. Do it again. Just check it. 000, 001. That's good. So we now know that the GPS is talking with the OBS, so what information we get here, we know we can rely on here.
Turning base
so
for
press
runway
enter,
2 right.
GPS page will come up, then mapping page, GPS, then the mapping page. In the comms active, we've got 123.05, which is the CTAF for Sebastian, so we need that in there. We've got another frequency in there in the standby, but we won't be using that today because we're staying in the traffic pattern. So navigation aids, we don't need that. En route, we're on GPS confirmed. Comms 2, we don't need that because we've got the information already from AWAS, so that's on comms 2, so we've already got that, that's fine. And then we're down to the transponder. Transponder is, in the US, it's 1200, so we've got 1200 set and the tail number of the aircraft in there, and we've got it on ground, we're currently on ground, so that will do us. So that's how I check the instruments, that's the instrument check complete.